Installing Terraform is easy. Installing Terraform correctly is what separates experiments from production. Before installing anything, you must decide which version you are installing. Never install latest by habit. In real environments, Terraform versions are chosen deliberately. Terraform must be downloaded only from the official HashiCorp distribution. No package mirrors, no random installers, no third-party binaries. This is a security boundary. Terraform is a single binary file. You download your operating system, your CPU architecture, and the exact version you selected. This binary is the Terraform CLI. Nothing else is required to launch the tool. Professional environments verify what they run. That means checking the checksum, confirming the file integrity, ensuring it was not modified. This step is skipped in tutorials. It is never skipped in production. Terraform must be accessible from your shell. That means placing the binary in a directory included in your path. If your shell cannot find Terraform, it does not exist. And if Terraform is not found after installation, restart your terminal. That step is often the missing piece. You confirm installation by running a single command. The command is terraform-version. Terraform should respond immediately with its version. This confirms the binary works, the path is correct, the environment is aware of Terraform. macOS, Linux, and Windows differ in steps, but conceptually they do all the same thing: download, verify, expose the path, confirm. The execution model is identical. We do not authenticate to a cloud, initialize a project, install providers, touch any infrastructure. This was intentional. Installing Terraform first creates a clean execution boundary. It allows you to reason about versions, permissions, and behavior before risk is introduced.